to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Wantable unboxing. It is the pretty details edit, so let's open her up. If you haven't tried Wantable before and you would like to, there's a referral link down below and a description all about Wantable. I usually do their themed edits. I don't do them like on a monthly, well, I guess I do, but like I don't do like their auto styling ship kind of thing. So you can just do it when you want to. It is kind of tricky though, because even if you do a themed edit, it'll try to automatically enroll you to do like the monthly. So you just have to go in and hit canceled if you don't want to get another one when it wants to send you one, and just on your own terms. So referral link down below if you want to try Wantable. Let's open her up with our trusty rusty screwdriver. Here we go. And let's see. I just got home from work. It is a Friday as I'm filming this. I feel like I'm not wearing my usual red lipstick, but I'm wearing another one of that same, I'm gonna stab myself with this on accident. I'm wearing the same brand. It's the Maybelline vinyl lip, and it's in the color Cheeky, and it's like kind of like the perfect kind of like nude lip, you know? So here we go. We're flipping her. We're flipping. Oh. Everything fell out. It was not secured. Hang on. Okay. I feel like they did this a couple ones ago too, where like they put the sticker, it's supposed to be at the seam of the tissue paper, but they didn't do that. So I just did. Here is our little bundle. It's falling out the other side. Okay. Here we go. They send the mailer to send back the things you do not want to keep, as always. And let's read our little note that usually sounds pretty like, you know, generic. I had so much fun styling you again today. I'm so thrilled that you are delighting in the details of this limited time edit. The smallest things can make the biggest difference, so I hope you love the 7 quality styles I've curated for you. I'm happy to include 5 of the items from your stream list. You could pair the cute cropped black tee with the polka dot skirt. Who remembers skirts? When I was a kid, I used to wear shorts under my skirts all the time. So these have them built in. And you could pair the cute cropped black tee, I already read that. The cropped top would also look great with the breezy sage colored shorts. Take the next 5 days to flourish in these fresh styles and be sure to let me know what you think, blah, blah, blah. 20% off when you keep 5 or more. Enjoy, Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. She looks nice. They have a little picture of the stylist on there, which I always think is kind of cool. And they sent, with the pretty little details edit, they sent you a free little like travel jewelry box, which I think is kind of cool. There was like 3 different colors you could get, and this is like the peach color. So let's see. Bum, bum, bum. So yeah, that's kind of cute. Kind of go through this quick for you. Look. So you get to keep that for free. Little spot for your necklaces, your rings, your earrings, whatever, what have you. So that's cool, because I did just travel. My papa turned 90 last week, and we went to see him, and I was like, oh, I need something to put my jewelry in, so that's cool. All right, first thing, you guys, sorry, the lighting in here is weird today. I'm sorry. I'm trying to like not you, and I look really tan. I promise I'm not yet. It's only May. I will be though this summer when I use my pool. I think this is the same shirt as my purple one I kept a few Wantables ago, and if so, I am keeping this black shirt because I wear the crud out of that purple one. So this is like the perfect cropped shirt. I love it. And then we have a, oh, by Lovapella. I like Lovapella. I think I might have picked this. Look at her. She's a nice goldenrod yellow with some cute flowers and like a little surplice kind of thing. And a little tie on the side. Very cute top. And just like a regular basic purple. Purple. I have been really liking purple, and I just ordered some like purpley glasses, so keep an eye out. Keep an eye out. Just like a purple V-neck t-shirt by 78 and Sunny. I think this is by 78 and Sunny too. Are you? Yes. So I think I like that brand. Did we just get this shirt in the pop of color edit? Oh, I think so. By Lush. I think so, but this might be a different pattern. I think this one's brighter than the other one, and this one has blue in it. But which I did like that one. But we'll see. And then we have, what's this by the way? Dun, 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 dun. Sorry, I'm all over the place. All over, that's by Lush. And then we have some cute shorts in kind of like a green color. They have pockets and a drawstring. This is by Kori America, Kori with a K, K-O-R-I. Stretchy. Here's the skirt. Look at her. She's cute. I haven't worn a skirt in a long time. This is by Geely, and it is a 1X, so it might be too big. But I think they came in like 1X, 2X, 3X sizes, so we'll see. It might be too big. It might fit great. And, oh, she's a romper. Look at her. I think I just said this in one of my Stitch Fixes. I don't understand rompers that are shorts, but then the sleeves are long. I don't know. I don't get it. But she's really cute. She's pretty. She's got buttons down the front, little elastics at the sleeve, pockets. Do you have pockets? I don't think she does. We'll see. Maybe they're hidden, but I don't think she does. Okay, let's try everything on. Okay, here's the skirt. I don't know. Okay, wait, here. I'll show you. Okay, first here's the purple top. It's just a purple t-shirt. It is comfy, it is nice, you know, casual, but it's probably gonna be like $44, and you know, you could get a plain old, there's nothing special about it like those cropped shirts from 78 and Sunny. But this is nice, it's a pretty color. Let's get to the skirt. It is a really pretty color. It's very comfortable. Here's the skirt. Okay, look. If they were just shorts, this is what they would look like. Which kind of remind me of like pantaloons, like back in the day. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? It's kind of different. I don't know. We'll try it with the black top too, but like, I don't know, it's kind of cute. It's kind of like 80s vibes to me. But it's really comfortable. Like, it's really nice material. It's very comfortable. No pockets, but it's a skirt, so it's probably not going to, obviously. It doesn't. So here's the back. I think it's very flirty. Very flirty for summer instead of shorts. It's cute. Okay, let's try it on with the black top. Cuter with the black top, I think. I love this shirt, okay? I'm not gonna apologize for it. Don't ask me to. But this little skirt, it's cute. This is the perfect length. I'm telling you, I know you guys, some of you have been like, you can get that shirt anywhere. You can't. I've looked for cropped, nice material, wears well shirts. Sleeve length, perfect. Cropped, perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. And I like the skirt. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. We'll see what the price is. But it's something different and fun to try on, especially in a Wantable box. That's usually, you know, basics. Let's try more. Here's the black top with the shorts. This is like the perfect little, you know, spring, summer, cash outfit. You still can even like tuck it in a little if you want to, because it's the perfect length shirt. Perfect. These are cute. I can't remember how much these are. I think I requested these on the stream, I can't remember. They have pockets, they have a drawstring, they're comfy, they're cozy, they're a good length, they're not too short. I think they're good. Let's try the chafing factor. Maybe, they might ride up a little. I haven't gotten my shorts out for the year, so I might have to get them out and see what I have, because I can't remember from last year. But this is a cute outfit. Here's the jumpsuit. There's no stretch. There is no stretch in this material. It will not give these buttons, the loops for them, could hardly get them over the button. That's how much stretch there is not in this. The only stretch is in the sleeves where you don't need it to stretch. So, fail. Here's the top. It's the same same top is like either my box before this or the box before that. I can't remember. Same top, different pattern. But still like the same base of that kind of like beigey orange kind of color. I just paired it with like my jean like joggers from Kohl's. So I didn't keep it last time for a reason. It's cute enough. I don't think it's uber flattering. It's okay. I like the sleeves, which is what I said in my last one too. So let's try on the last top. Here's the last top. I think she's cute. Like it has like this surplice. I think that's adorable. My battery's about to die. It has these little tiny like kind of cap sleeves. It wraps, but it's like, I can feel like it's gonna stay where I want it to be, you know? And it has this fake little tie over here. I think that's cute. I think that's cute. Okay, I'm gonna have like 3 things I like, maybe. Let's go over prices. Prices. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Prices. Slinky Newport crop tee in black, so it's the same one as my purple one, $46. I'm just gonna keep it. The romper, $54. The skirt, $59, so I'm not gonna keep that. The floral print blouse in mauve by Lush, the sleeve one, $58. Essential slub v-neck tee in plum by 78 and Sunny, $49. The yellow top, $39, that's on sale, originally $52. And the road trip in short and sage in XL, $54. The whole box, $359. If you keep 5 or more, it'll be $287.20, minus the styling fee credit, but then sales tax. So $283.23 for the whole box. Not a bad box. Everything was kind of cute except, you know, the romper, just not the right size. And when I say fail, you know, when it was a fail, I'm not failing. It's just not the right size. You know what I mean? Don't ever think of like, you know, oh, I'm not the right size for that. No, it's not the right size for you. You get to have whatever you want in your life. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You get it. So yeah, that was a pretty good box for Wantable, I think. So if you guys want to try it, again, my referral link's down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, night, evening, morning, dusk, whenever you're watching this. And I will see you next time.